నమస్కారము. ఈరోజు మనం హెచ్సిఎఫ్ మరియు ఎల్సిఎం మధ్య ఉన్నటువంటి డిఫరెన్స్ కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ ఒకసారి నేర్చుకుందాము. It is the highest of all common factors of the given numbers. It is the least of all the common multiples of the given numbers. It is the greatest number which divides all the given numbers exactly. It is the least number which divisible by all the given numbers. It is always less than or equal to any of the given numbers. It is always greater than or equal to any of the given numbers. Now, differences between factors and multiples. HCF of two or more prime numbers or two co-prime numbers is always 1. LCM of two or more prime numbers or two prime numbers is equal to the product of all prime numbers of the product of two co-prime numbers. HCF of two or more numbers divides their LCM exactly. LCM of two or more numbers is divisible by these numbers exactly. Thank you.